I want to show you guys this comparison chart. And I try to look at fractals or pieces of price action that look similar to other charts because they can tell us a story. And there's so many charts that look like the chart I'm about to show you right now. The chart I'm going to show you is an asset called Casper. And Casper is built for enterprise. Everything's essentially a contract. Everything's upgradable, customizable for businesses. And it's very difficult for people when they see a chart that's just going down or has something called an illiquidity wick showing that prices were astronomical, but there were no buyers at that price. And you see price set fresh lows. And that can be super frustrating and it can discourage many traders from ever investing at all. But let's take a look over here on the right. So you can see very clearly it says VET USD, which is VeChain USD. And we're looking at 3-day charts. Each one of these little ticks on here, I know they're all scrunched up. They represent 3 days worth of price action. So when we look at this VeChain chart on the right, and the reason I picked this chart is because it is almost identical to the Casper chart. So we have this illiquidity wick, meaning that price got listed right around $1.96, but there were no buyers until right around here, around 2 cents. You started to get some actual volume, people actually trading VeChain around 2 cents, right? Even after that happened, though, you had this crashing structure that came in here, a little bit of a lower high, make another low, come up, consolidate, and then we come in for another crash before VeChain goes on this insane run up. Okay, we can kind of see that we have something similar here, right? Illiquidity wick around $65. Big crash. Nobody starts trading Casper until this kind of 76, 75 cent region crashes, right? But here's what we're going to do. We're going to take something called the bars pattern. So if you're in tradingview.com, you go down about 6 tools. Over here on the left side, you guys can go to the bars pattern. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take VeChain's entire price action from the illiquidity wick to current, okay? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here on the Casper chart. So if I just stretch this out a bit because we have to kind of fix what was happening there, you guys can see what happened here, right? Is it identical? No, but we have an illiquidity wick, crashing structure, reaccumulation, comes down, sets another low for accumulation, and hypothetically could break out significantly higher. So if we were to just look at this fractal, I'm just going to get rid of this fractal on the right side because this fractal is the VeChain chart. It shows that, first of all, that first spike should be around 41 cents, right? So if we were to measure from current market price up to that local high, that would be almost a 10x gain, a 1,000% gain from current market price on Casper here. And if we were to look at to where it suggests that the all-time high could come in around $10 or $11, you're looking at over a 200x reward. Now, my personal targets on Casper are actually a lot lower than that. It's actually in the $2 to $4 region, and that would still be a phenomenal return. But I want you to see, when we look at these charts side by side, that when VeChain was in these moments over here, when it kept crashing and just reaccumulating and not doing anything, nobody wanted to buy VeChain until VeChain provided one of the best returns out of any of the altcoins in 2021. I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you found it informative, you can check out more like it right here.